Hello class 9.4 BCIS. I'm Miss Nhi, and today we are talking about adjectives and adverbs. This is a new grammar point in English 9 program as well as English. So I hope that after this lesson you can apply adjectives and adverbs for the test and your speaking and writing English. Okay, as you can see on the screen, today we are going to find out two main points, adjectives and adverbs. Okay, now let's get started. The first one is adjectives. So what are the adjectives? Adjectives are the words that modify nouns and modify pronouns. Now let's look at the examples to understand more. Okay, the first one, the green grass of the field is the refreshing sight. So in this sentence, green is an adjective and it modifies grass. Refreshing is an adjective and it modifies sight. And they are in front of the nouns. Can you see? The adjective is in front of the nouns to modify them. The next one, this factory is mine. So this in this sentence is an adjective and it gives more details for the factory. So this factory is mine, not that factory, not the red factory, not the blue factory. Exactly, this factory is mine. Okay, the next example. Many people enjoy the annual dinner. So many in this sentence is an adjective and it clarifies people. So many people, not a few people. Annual is an adjective and it clarifies dinner. So it's not the normal dinner, it's not the daily dinner, it's exactly annual dinner. Okay, we have just finished the adjectives and now move on adverbs. So what are the adverbs? So adverbs are the words that tell you how, where, or when something is done. They describe the manner, place, or time of an action. There are a lot of kinds of adverb, and I'm gonna show you 5 kinds of adverb on the screen. Okay, the first one is manner, place, time, frequency, purpose, or reason. As you can see on the screen, I show you the definition of each kind of adverb. And now I'm gonna give you 1 minute to read the definition of each kind of adverb. Take note the yellow words. Okay, time's up. Have you got the definition of each kind of adverb? I hope that you got it. Okay, I show you 5 kinds of adverb on the screen, but in grade 9, I just want you to remember and learn the first one, manner. Okay, Now let's find out more with adverbs of manner. So what are the adverbs of manner? So they are the words that describe the way people do things or modify the verbs. Now look at the example to understand more. Okay, the first one. The girls answered all the questions correctly. So in this sentence, correctly is an adverb of manner. It modifies the way that the girls answered all the questions. Or it modifies the verb answered. So how did the girl answer all the questions? The girls answered all the questions correctly. Okay, you got it? The next example. He was driving carelessly. So carelessly in this sentence is an adverb of manner. It gives more detail for the way he was driving. So how was he driving? He was driving carelessly. Okay, you got it? Okay, one more example to understand more. The plane landed safely. So in this sentence, safely is an adverb of manner. It clarifies the way that the plane landed. So how did the plane land? The plane landed safely. Okay, is it easy? Okay, now I'm gonna give you 3 more examples and give you 1 minute to look at each of the adverb in each sentence and explain by yourself the way that the person do thing in each sentence, like I have done before. Okay? Okay, time's up. Have you got it? If you haven't got it, you can email me or you can ask me on the online studying on Saturday. Okay? The next slide. Okay, so as you can see on the example that I showed you on the previous slide, okay, so most of the adverb of manner end with ly. So this is the way that you can make the adverbs of manner. So you make these adverbs by adding ly to the adjectives. Okay, I'm gonna show you some common adverbs and adjectives in English. Okay, so before I said that most of adverb of manner end with ly because some adverb gonna change to the different word like good. Okay, so good is an adjective and well is an adverb. This is a different word. Okay, you don't add ly behind good, goodly, no, well, yes. Okay, one more thing that you have to note in this board is here, happy. Can you see? Happy and with y. So when you add ly, you have to change y into I and then add ly. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 minute to look at all of the common adverbs and adjectives. Okay, time's up. The next slide. And this is the last slide of this lesson today. Okay, so one thing that you have to be careful when you make the adverb. Okay, some words that end in ly are not adverbs because some adjectives end in ly too. For example, Sam was feeling very lonely. Can you see lonely? This is an adjective. It's not an adverb. Okay, it ends with ly, but it's not adjective. Oh, sorry, it's not adverb. It's an adjective. Okay, the next one. She was wearing a lovely dress. So lovely here is not adverb. It's an adjective, and it modifies the noun dress. Okay, one more example. It was a very lively party. So lively here is not an adverb, it's an adjective, and it gives more details, party. So lively party. Okay, we have just finished the lesson today, and this is an interest video for you to review, and it will help you to remember this grammar point quickly, and you will have more fun when you watch this video. Okay, now let's look at this video and click the link that I post in Google Class. Okay, the end. Thanks for listening.